Here is a fun puzzle. Leo is 9 years old. One day, his grandpa smiles and says, "When you are as old as I am right now, I will be 67. So how old is Grandpa today?
Oh, that is simple. Grandpa just told us he is 67, right? Wait! That is the age he will be someday, not the age he is now. Let me think about this. Pause the video and try it yourself. How old is Grandpa right now?
Let us draw a number line. We will line up the ages from small to big. Way over on the left, put Leo. Leo is 9 years old right now. Way over on the right, put the age Grandpa will be one day. That age is 67. The whole stretch from Leo today all the way to 67 is what we need to cross. Now here's the clever part. Somewhere in between sits Grandpa's age right now. Watch the jump from Leo today up to Grandpa today. That jump is the gap between their ages. It is how much older Grandpa is than Leo.
Watch me hop. The first hop goes from Leo today up to Grandpa today. The second hop goes from Grandpa today up to 67. Look closely. Both hops are exactly the same size because each hop is one age gap. So the whole stretch is crossed in 2 equal hops.
So let us measure the whole stretch. 67 take away 9 is 58. That stretch is made of 2 equal hops, so we cut it in half. 58 divided by 2 is 29. Each hop is 29 years, so the gap between Leo and Grandpa is 29. Now we can find Grandpa today. Grandpa today is just Leo plus 1 gap. 9 plus 29 is 38, so Grandpa is 38 years old right now. Let us check. 38 plus 29 more is 67. That is exactly what Grandpa said he would be. It works. See what happened. One little sentence was really hiding 2 equal jumps. From 9, hop 1 gap to reach Grandpa now. Hop the very same gap again to reach 67. Same hop, twice. That is the whole trick. This is the big idea. 2 equal hops. If a problem says, when you reach my age, I will be a certain number, then the stretch between you is crossed in 2 equal gaps. So the gap is that number, take away the younger age, divided by 2. Look for a sentence like, when you are as old as I am now. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.